Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Brian Umar, and today we'll be making this mechanical part in Solidworks, and I'll be modeling this part in Solidworks 2020, and I will be providing its file so you can download it from the video description link. So let's go to here Solidworks. I'm using Solidworks 2020. I'll go to a new, select part and click OK. And now we are in Solidworks interface. So first of all, as usual, I'll change my background to plain white, and I'll set my units to mmgs, which are already selected. So let's go to here top plane, select sketch, and first of all I will make this base part, and the dimensions are 114, pitch is 114, and this length is 64, as you can see here. So let's go to here, let's say center rectangle. I'll make a center rectangle here. Let's dimension it. This dimension is 64 and this dimension is 114. This is the pitch. Also we need a, let's say, 3-point arc or a tangent arc here having radius of 32. So let's go to here, let's say tangent arc, and click 1 point here, 1 point here. Similarly, I'll make one tangent arc here as well. You can make you can use mirror entities as well. Well, this line and this line, these will not be part of our sketch. So click this, first select these and then use this option for construction. So these lines will not be part of our final geometry, and click OK. Now we need 2 holes here having a diameter of 22. We can make it later as well, but I will be making these holes in the same sketch. So go to here circle, snap the center point, and I'll make one circle here. Select this circle, hold shift, select this circle, and I'll use this option, this relation, make equal. Go to your smart dimension. This dimension is 22, and now you can see that sketch is fully defined. The sketch color is turned into black, and you can see here as well sketch is fully defined. So exit the sketch, and I'll rotate it. I'll go to your features, extruded boss, and I'll select this contour. Now you can see that circles are not part of this contour, so I will select this circle. First I'll go to here select contours, and I'll select this contour and this contour. Also you can see that this extrusion length or this extrusion depth is 19. So I'll change this extrusion length to, let's say, 19 mm, and click OK. And now you can see that base part is done, and the next we will be creating this square having dimensions of 64 by 64, and we will make this inside part later. So let's go to your Solidworks again. This time I will be using this face. So go to your sketch, and I will be sketching in the in this top plane. Click here normal to view, and I'll be using center rectangle again. So this dimension is 64, and this dimension was also 64. So sketch is fully defined, and exit sketch. I will rotate this block. Go to here features, extruded boss. This time I will be using this contour as extrusion, and you can see that this extrusion length is 45 upwards. So I will change this to 45 from 19 and click OK. Let's hide the shadows. Okay. Now you can see that we need a tapered cut extrusion here. So we'll be making this in the right plane, and let's go to here Solidworks again, and this time I will be using let's say right plane. Click here right plane, sketch, view normal, and I'll be using a line. Let's dimension it. You can see that this this depth is 13 here and 19 here. So select this point, select this edge, and this dimension is 13. Also you can see that this dimension is also 13, that is the thickness here is 13 and thickness here is 13 as well. So go to your smart dimension and select this point, select this edge, and this dimension will also be 13. You can see that sketch is still underdefined. I can still drag it. So I will use a relation here, and I will make this point coincident with this edge. So select this point, select this edge, and I'll use this relation, make coincident. Now you can see that I can only drag it in this direction, and we will use the same relation here as well. And let's select this point, hold shift, select this top edge, and I'll use this option, make coincident. Now you can see that sketch is fully defined, but it is not a close contour, so we will be making it a close contour. So let's make one line here and one line here. Now you can see that sketch color is turned into black, and you can see here as well sketch is fully defined. So exit the sketch and I'll rotate it here. Now you can see that this cut extrusion is 38 from the mid plane of this block, and this cut extrusion length is 38. So I'll go to your features, this time here extruded cut, select this contour, and I will be using this option, mid plane, and I'll change this from 45 to 38. Let's confirm it. Yes, it is 38, and click OK. Now you can see that your mechanical block is ready. We will confirm it. So let's say this dimension is 114 and this dimension is 32. So this dimension, the total overall length will be 178. So we can confirm it using evaluate. So let's go to your evaluate, go to your measure, and I will select this point and I will select this point. Now you can see that this distance is 178, that is the maximum length is 178, and also you can see that this thickness is 13 and this thickness is 19. We can confirm it. So let's go to your measure again, select this edge, select this edge, and now you can see that this edge distance is this edge length is 13 mm. Also this edge length would be 19. So let's go to your measure again, select this edge, select this edge, and now you can see that this edge distance is 19 mm, and the distance between these two faces will be 38. So let's go to your measure, select this face, select this face, and now you can see that this distance is 38. We can also confirm the holes. So this hole is having a diameter of 22. So we can confirm it by using evaluate. It is a very cool feature in SolidWorks. And lastly, I will go to here appearance, and under appearance, let's say I'll go to here metals, and I'll apply, let's say, brushed bronze, or maybe we'll go to here brass. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it, and if you have any questions, any queries related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting videos. Thank you.